The Robinson to the Mysterious Ghost Train, where it goes with starts with the old one and then it turns into a new one, where it said, where the sewer train saves the Robertsons from a blame the ghost train named Blame. Because the sewer trains and the family Robertsons and Lewis must go on. Roar to blame the ghost train that he turned evil. The Robertsons gaps where they saw blame the ghost train. And that's Outlet, the alligator, where he said, "Wow! Something scary happening. Lewis, look out!" Ah! The ghost train comes after the Robertsons with the toot.
Is there nothing on the other side?
Robertsons must watch out for Blame. Boom! Yeah. Kaboom! Perhaps our future is going to be saved today. We must save you by blame the ghost train at once, where our fear as introverts is past. You got to keep trying. He was attacking Lewis where the bridge broke. The Robertsons is haunted. Hang on! Boom! But be warned. Kaboom! The ghost train is coming after you. Super trains must defeat Blaine the ghost train. We must take over the future and kill that Robinson future at once. They must save their future. And one thing that we can do that, and think of it fast. The future is in trouble. Mother, Lewis. That's just Lewis's mother where he found her.
Oh.
She was in the dungeon of the cave.
Okay.
And the Blame's there. The sewer trains will save the future by blaming the ghost train where they feed him. This is a red light on the ghost train light. The Robertsons was happy. Before the whistle too, with the ghost's mysterious whistle. Big 70 shoots at him. He goes too fast where the funnel blow explode. Boom! Whoops! Laughed hyenas. The ghost train awaits to the future, where you see the ghost train that it's invisible, that you can't see him. Best even if the bomb snake stand it out. The Robertsons will begin because nobody else is going to save the Robinson future. What do you say, Aunt? Fabulous! And then Alan kids at Freddy. Mm-hmm. Walt Disney Pictures presents Meet the Robertsons 2, The Mysterious Ghost Train. Coming soon to Disney DVD and Blu-ray. Coming to on 3D. That's where the ghost train awaits. This ghost train is going to be out to get you in your future of the life people. I need to find it for myself. The ghost train is out to get you. The end.